Welcome to the Fix My Finances Challenge. I am so excited for you. First of all, give yourself a huge clap, a huge pat on the back, whatever you got to do, a big old hug. Just big it up for yourself. Gas yourself up right now that you're even on this page because so many people shy away from dealing with their money. I mean, you know how we do, right? I've done it too, way in the past, right? Like the calls come in and you like, oh, I don't know this number. It might be a bill collector. I'm not even going to answer it, right? The mail comes in. You avoid opening the bills because you're like, you know what? It's just going to ruin my day. I don't even want to deal with it, right? So many people avoid that. And if that's not you, I know for sure there's been a time where you've been like, you know what? Retirement is a long way away. I'm not even going to think about it. Or I am too old and I haven't saved enough for retirement. And I just feel like there's no hope for me to really even be able to retire comfortably, if at all, right? It runs the gamut. We all have had money challenges. We've all have made mistakes with our money for sure. But you are here. You are on this page right now. And I want to give you a congratulations because most people avoid it. Most people don't even want to talk about their money because one, we weren't taught it in schools, right? The only thing that we were taught in school really is how to get a job. Maybe how to be an entrepreneur, maybe, but we really weren't taught how to build, grow, and let our money work for us. That is the education that the 1% receives. But the average Joe like you and me, the average Joe, the average Jane, we don't get that, right? And so I'm really glad that you're here because in this 5-day challenge, you're going to do a number of things that you've never done before. Let me tell you about them. So we're going to put you on a whole path. You're going to create a money map that by the time this challenge is done, you're going to be able to see that light at the end of the tunnel where you're going to finally be able to get out of debt. If you feel bogged down with debt and you're just like, I have no clue how I'm ever going to possibly get out of this. This is just with me for life. No, sis. No, sir. We are going to put you on a money map and you're going to create one just for you. This is not a one size fits all kind of situation. This is a personalized money map for you that you are going to create as a part of this challenge. And when it's over, you're going to have a clear plan on how you're going to get out of debt and even possibly when, right? So that's really exciting. The next thing that we're going to do is you're going to be able to find hundreds to possibly thousands of dollars in your current budget that you don't even know is already there. You're going to find it in your money, in your bank account, in your salary, in your budget that you didn't even know existed. I am so excited for that day because we're going to go through that and you're going to be amazed at how much money you don't even realize that you already have that you can either put toward debt, or once that debt is paid off, you can put it towards your emergency savings. And once that's done, you can also put it towards your retirement, and you can even just put it towards whatever you want to do. Fancy vacation, cool new shoes, whatever you want to do, right? Because you will have the disposable income that you didn't even know that you had. And if you think that having a possible disposable income is like nowhere near your future, I got you covered. Just make sure that you join this challenge and you will see. We are also going to put you on the path to actually retiring with a 7-figure net worth. It doesn't matter how old you are. It doesn't matter how much your income is right now, how much your household income, if you're single, if you're married, if you're divorced, widow, what have you, right? It is very possible for you. But again, these are the things that the 1% know. And they don't teach us. They always say, well, you got to start when you're really young. And if you don't start when you're 19 or 24, then you're just out of luck. And that is just simply not true. I always say the 1% has to remain the 1% because how else would they stay in power if all of us know the information that they know, right? I'm going to teach it to you. And I'm really, really excited for you to learn it. There's so many things that we're going to do in this challenge. You're going to be amazed at how you are literally going to fix your money. I can't wait. I can't wait to see you in the challenge. Go ahead and sign up. It's only $64. I mean, the time is going to pass anyway, right? It's a 5-day challenge. The 5 days is going to pass regardless. What are you going to do? Are you going to continue to be in the situation that you've been in for however many years? Or are you going to spend 5 days of your life, simply 5 days, learning how to build it, how to grow it, how to maintain it, how to make it work for you? Oh, and one more thing. In the 5-day challenge, we are also going to help you create passive income streams. Can you believe it? Like literally, truly passive, like just sitting around doing whatever you do, living your life, and your money is just churning and working for you. I always say our money should be like little soldiers out in the fields doing the work for us because the goal in life is not to work hard all the time, right? The goal in life is to live your life, enjoy the fruits of your labor, and have your money do the work for you. Your money should be working harder for you than you have to work for it. And I'm going to show you exactly how to do that. And of course, we're going to tap into that money mindset because you can't make none of this happen if your mind ain't in the right place. You're going to do all of that, honey, in 5 days. I cannot wait. Go ahead and sign up for the challenge. Thank you again for being here. I'm so proud of you already, and I cannot wait to see you in the 5-day Fix My Money challenge. Talk to you soon. Bye.